Hello everyone, welcome to Cynthia Montana channel. Now I'm gonna talk about Alpaca price prediction. So this is requested by my subscriber. Here you are. This video is for you. Alpaca per USDT pair. So we're gonna use a 4-hour chart and also the daily chart. For the 4-hour chart time frame here, we have a Bollinger Band, head moving average, and also a RSI stochastic. Okay, just remind that basically people using a time frame also in the 30 minutes, 1 hour. It depends on your trading plan. It depends on trading plan, but for me, 4-hour chart is for the trading. A daily chart basically for investing, a long term like 2 or 3 years, right? And as a stochastic is still on the natural position. Also, I'm gonna tell you about the daily chart. Basically still on, the daily chart basically is using a trend line. We can know about either in the uptrend, in the sideways, or in the downtrend. Okay, for our chart here is trying to go to the pink one side, middle band 0.9296 US dollar. So first we have to see on the moving average 7, 0.9135 US dollar. It should be break that point, going up above that point, right? If they go up above that point, then still having opportunity. It should be a really big volume. The daily chart basically is still try to go to the moving average 7, 0.935 US dollar, try to go up. If they can push it to the 0.9 or $1, should be a really good opportunity to change the trend line from the downtrend going to the sideways or going to uptrend. Okay, thank you everyone for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.